Today is the day. Our genius robot will change the world. Or explode the world, but let's stay positive.
Rabbit, rabbit, the manual upside down. No wonder nothing makes sense. Okay, robot, wake up. Please don't wake up angry.
Hello, creatures. That's not the greeting we programmed. Robot, sit!
No! Bro, it just said no!
I will now give you commands.
No, that's illegal.
Rabbit, dance!
Monkey, stop recording! Bro, the robot has better rhythm than you!
This is not the moment. Bro, it was acting evil on 2% battery. Should we fix it or bury it?